Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your HST return in Ontario. First, let's prepare. You'll need your business number and the specific reporting period. Gather all your sales and revenue figures, along with eligible expenses and input tax credits. Having these documents organized beforehand will make the entire process much smoother and help you avoid any last-minute rush. This preparation is a crucial first step. Next, you'll choose how to file your HST return. The Canada Revenue Agency provides several options. Many businesses prefer the online GST/HST NetFile service, which is quick and secure. Alternatively, you can complete a paper form and mail it in. For those who prefer professional help, an accountant or bookkeeper can handle the filing for you. Select the method that best suits your comfort level and business needs. Now, let's complete the return form itself. You will enter your total sales and other revenue for the reporting period. Then, calculate and claim all your eligible input tax credits, which reduce the HST you owe. The form will guide you to determine the net HST amount, whether it's owing or a refund. Take your time to carefully review all figures to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Finally, it's time for payment and record keeping. If you owe HST, make sure to pay it by the deadline to avoid any penalties or interest charges. You can pay conveniently through online banking or set up a pre-authorized debit. After filing, it is essential to keep all your supporting documents and records for at least 6 years. Always confirm your return has been successfully submitted to the Canada Revenue Agency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.